I've always been a true introvert at heart and always a passionate gamer, but I never realised that gaming could be my pathway to my more confident and outgoing side.
In school I was always quite shy and anxious. I was never really a popular kid. Gaming helped me get that sense of escapism and kind of escape from the busy world into my own place.
The course at USW helped me to develop my confidence because naturally a games design course and it's kind of an introverted course, so even just having a little bit of confidence allowed me to become the leader of a team, oversee all the different aspects of game design, meetings, overseeing collaboration, making sure the work's being done on time, kind of setting schedules, basically ensuring that the game we're working on gets finished. The facilities at USW have been really great. It's great to be able to spend basically the whole day on campus using the gaming rooms. I feel that part of a network at USW, I might need to work with sound production, music, performance for voice acting, animation and VFX. So it's really easy to collaborate in this campus when you have all those creative courses nearby. The best thing about Cardiff is that it kind of has something for everyone. There's an emerging game scene as well, with kind of arcade bars that you can go to and socialise with people from your course. Being a student ambassador helped to develop my confidence further. During open days I'll be engaging and talking to hundreds of different people, so it helped to develop my social skills. I kind of got to develop my confidence even further through that. So I still am very comfortable being an introvert at heart. University showed me that you can be both an introvert but also really confident and outgoing, and both kind of partner really well. I think I've changed so much from 5 or 10 years ago that I wouldn't believe it's the same person. I kind of be amazed how much I've developed and how quickly I've changed and put together all the pieces in my life to become a rounded individual.